While I keep working on this and getting those batter boards ready, you guys have a blessed day. Did you hear about the CV going on? Delta variant? These people are going to try to kill us no matter what we do. If it wasn't for the elect's sake, no flesh would survive. In times, people. Wow. Never thought I'd see it in my lifetime, but it's here. Yep. Charles Lawson's a good teacher. Good pastor. He's a good man. Another one, Chuck Misler, but he's gone. He's another good man that's gone. There's many of them that are gone. There's not a whole lot of them left. God bless you guys. Maybe I should try to do some more cutting. What am I going to do? I wonder if I can put this